Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can add voice effect in your CapCut video. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply scroll through your homepage and tap open your CapCut app. And once you open your CapCut app, select a new project or start over your previous one. So after you do this, all you need to do is simply tap on the add audio option. After this, press on the record button and hold the mic like icon to record your voiceover. So after you are done doing your voiceover, simply tap on the voice effects option. So now all you need to do is simply choose the voice effect you want to place on your voiceover, and after that you can simply add your voice effect on your voiceover on the CapCut app. Now just place it according to your will, and in a matter of seconds it will be all done. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.